This is video 2 of our gentle 3-part series for women over 50, 60, 70, and 80. Today we talk about bras and weight loss and the real struggle of finding a bra that fits your new body after weight loss. Your band changes, your cup changes, your shape changes, and your old bras suddenly feel wrong, tight one day, loose the next day, gaping at the top, riding up in the back. Many older women feel frustrated and a little discouraged, but this is very normal. Fashion icon Diane von Furstenberg once said, "Feeling comfortable is the first step to feeling confident. A good bra helps you feel comfortable again." Now let us begin with women who cannot afford a bra fitting. For women who cannot afford a professional bra fitting, this is very real and very common. Many women over 50 live on a budget. They cannot buy expensive bras every few months or have a professional fitting and bra purchases. We will deal with that situation. Catherine, age 69, said, "I lost 28 pounds. My bras stopped fitting, but I could not afford a boutique fitting." So what did she do? She measured herself at home. Here is a simple and gentle way. First, use a soft tape measure. Measure under your bust. That is your band size. Second, measure around the fullest part of your bust. That helps with cup size. Then compare the two numbers. This gives you a starting point, not perfection, but a helpful guide. Another helpful idea. Look for stores that offer quiet help. Department stores often have experienced staff. Some examples many women use include Macy's, Nordstrom, Dillard's, and specialty lingerie shops. Some discount stores also have helpful older staff who understand comfort first. Jeannie, age 74, shared, "I went to a department store on a quiet weekday. A kind lady helped me choose a softer bra without any pressure." That kindness matters. If measuring at home feels easier, look for bras with adjustable straps and stretch bands and soft cups. Soft cups are forgiving. They adapt to changing breast shape after weight loss. They do not gap as much under clothing. Another smart tip, own 2 bras in slightly different sizes because your body may still be changing slowly. Fashion expert Stacy London has said, "Fit is not about size. It is about how clothing supports your body. This includes bras more than anything." Now let us talk about signs your bra no longer fits. You tighten it to the last hook. The band rides up your back. You keep adjusting it all day. The cups wrinkle or gape. These are gentle signals, not failures, just body changes. Now, for women who are better off, for women who can afford a professional bra fitting, this can be a wonderful experience and often very emotional in a good way. Karen, age 62, said, "I finally treated myself to a fitting after losing 35 pounds. I almost cried when I saw how much better my clothes looked." A professional bra fitting usually happens in a lingerie boutique or a high-end department store or specialty bra shops. The fitter measures your band, your bust, your shape, and even how your breasts sit on your chest. They bring several bras for you to try. Different styles, different supports, different fabrics. They adjust straps. Check the band and make sure the bra supports most of the weight from the band, not the shoulders. Typical costs for a fitting are often free if you buy a bra, or between $20 and $50 in some boutiques. Quality bras may cost more. That's a lot more, but they often last longer and feel better. Betsy, age 71, shared softly, "I wore the wrong size for 20 years. After my fitting, my posture improved and my blouses fit beautifully." That is powerful. A good bra can lift gently, support comfortably, and smooth the way clothing falls. Fashion icon Iris Apfel once said, "When you feel good in your clothes, you stand taller." And the right bra helps that happen. Remember this comforting truth. After weight loss over 50, your breast shape may change more than your size. So style matters as much as measurement. Soft cup bras, wireless support bras, front closure comfort bras, all can be wonderful choices for older women. Most important of all, be kind to yourself. Your body is changing. Your health may be improving. And your comfort matters more than numbers on a label. In video 3 of this series, we will talk about confidence, clothing, posture, and how to feel elegant and feminine after body changes over 50 to 90. Because comfort, support, and self-respect never go out of style. Please tell us in the comments below just how you have coped with this body change, whether or not it was through aging or weight loss or both. Share your location so we can see across the world that this is a common problem for women over 50. Take care.